Hello, you're welcome to my channel. This is just 4 feet by 8 land, and this land is sufficient enough for planting vegetable which families could use to sustain themselves for the whole year. This is just the clearing phase. It has already been cleared. The crop you have on it is bitter leaf. It is very useful for the body. It's also useful in fish farming. When I come to the area of fish farming, you will know the advantage of bitter leaf to aid the immunity of the fishes. Here we have a crop they call saint leaf. It's also beneficial in our meals, and it's also beneficial for people that are engaged in sales of spicy food. Here we have some aloe vera. The reason why these 3 plants are kept here is because of their benefits. But I'm going to be planting on this land by the grace of God. We are going to be planting what they call ugu, which is known to most of us, especially those in Africa. And also we'll be planting ewedu and green. And on this small land size of just 8 feet by 4, you can have enough vegetable that we'll be using for the rest of the year. You don't need to go to any market again. That's why, in case you have such space, or even bigger or smaller space than this, you can convert it to a mini farm. On this project, all we'll be using is going to be less than $2 for the planting, and the money will be used only for the purchase of seeds. The seeds will be that of ugu, green, and ewedu. We already have the bitter leaf that has already been shown, and spice. That is about the major vegetable that you can see in every kitchen. The size of the land is not what is important when it comes to agriculture. It is about your know-how. It is also about the availability of good water source. Like now, we are still not yet in the rainy season, so we have to be putting water when the seeds are being planted. Thank you for watching, and God bless.